We draw a principal axis diagram. This center is P. That means pole of mirror. This is focus and this is center of curvature. We take a object OA just beyond center of curvature, right? A parallel rays incident parallel to principal axis, incidence ray parallel to principal axis and cross from focus after reflection and cross from focus after reflection. And another rays comes from C and reflect on C and reflect on also C. Because of C just we have normal perpendicular. Okay, here give me a this reflected ray and this reflected ray intersect at this point, so image formed at this point O dash A dash O dash A dash. Now we get four triangles. Suppose this point AQ, OA is the object and AQ is incidence ray whose reflect from focus. Another reflect and another rays cross from center of curvature and reflect on center of curvature. Okay, this reflect rays intersect this point A dash, then O dash A dash is image formed, right? We take a perpendicular O to P dash, just P dash. That means P dash is just near about P. Okay. Let Mn is a concave mirror in which F is focus, C is center of curvature, center of curvature. It is important to write some theories before the deriving formula. Okay. A rays AQ incident on point Q and reflect from focus. Another is incidence from C and reflect on C. Okay. Therefore, O dash A dash is image formed. Now we have get here four triangles AOC, A dash O dash C, A dash O dash F, and PQF and PQF. We derive mirror formula from these triangles, similarities of triangles. Therefore, in the triangle, first we have to take triangle AOC and triangle A dash O dash C. Now, in the triangle AOC and O dash A dash C, this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree perpendicular. Therefore, angle AOC equal to angle A dash O dash C. A dash O dash C equal to 90 and angle ACO equal to angle A dash CO dash. A dash CO dash equal to vertical opposite angle. Therefore, from angle similarities, triangle AOC similar triangle O dash A dash C. You have to know in the similar triangle the corresponding side, the ratio of corresponding side is equal. Okay. Therefore, we can write. Therefore, we can write triangle OA by O dash A dash. AO by A dash O dash equal to OC by O dash C. O dash C. Equation first. Getting equation first. Now in the triangle, PQF, and triangle O dash A dash O dash F, A dash O dash F. This angle A dash O dash F and angle QPF also 90 degree. Angle QPF equal to angle A dash O dash F equal to 90 degree. And this angle is also vertical opposite angle. Angle O dash F A dash O dash F A dash equal to angle QFP. QFP, vertical opposite angle. So angle similarities. So from angle similarities, triangle PQF similar triangle O dash A dash F. So we can write, therefore PQ by O dash A dash, PQ by A dash O dash equal to PF by O dash F, or AO by A dash O dash equal to PF by O dash F. Because of A PQ is equal to OA. That is the side of triangle. That is the side of rectangle AOPQ. So AO is equal to the PQ, right? AO is equal to the PQ. So we write here PQ is equal to the AO. Equation second. From equation first and second, we get left side here is equal AO by A dash O dash, and in this equation second AO by A dash O dash. So we take equation first and equation second, we get OC by O dash C equal to PF by O dash F. That's equation third. Okay. Now OC, that means PO equal to minus U, image distance, object distance, PO dash equal to minus V, image distance, PC equal to minus 2F, radius. Okay, therefore OC, we can write for OC PO minus PC. We can write for OC PO minus PC by O dash C. We can write for O dash C PC minus PO dash, equal to PF equal to PF divided by O dash F, O dash F, PO dash minus PF. Okay. Now putting the value of in this equation. PO equal to minus U minus PC equal to minus 2F divided by PC equal to minus 2F minus PO dash equal to minus V equal to PF equal to minus F divided by PO dash minus V minus PF equal to minus f equal to minus u plus 2f by minus 2f plus v equal to minus f by minus v plus f. Now cross multiplying, we get minus 2f square, 2f minus minus plus 2f square plus vf, minus 2f square plus minus vf equal to minus plus uv minus 2vf minus uf and plus 2f square, 2f square cancel. Now vf and vf minus vf and minus vf, here minus vf plus uf minus vf plus uf minus 2vf equal to uv minus vf and plus 2vf minus vf plus 2vf, we get vf of then uf equal to uv, dividing both side from uvf, we get dividing both sides from uvf, we get vf by uvf plus uf by uvf equal to uv by uvf, vf cancel, uf cancel, uv u and v cancel, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Therefore 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is mirror formula. This is, here we can get mirror formula from the similarity of triangle. Thank you.